What's good, everybody? We're back in another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Well, enjoy. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's make a white cross. So here is white and green. I'll put it up there and make it to green. White and red. Red is here. Just like that. Now it is white and blue, so just like that. Now it is white and purple, so let's take this to the purple and put it up. Now we have the red cross. Now let's do the corners. So check the two colors, but if there is yellow, take it away, like forget about it. So this is green, red, white. So I have green and red, so that means I have to do this technique, because this is coming this way: up, left, down, right, and there you have it. So now we need to take blue and red. This is the same thing, but from the left hand: up, right, down, left, just like that. So now we need to take this out: up, left, down, right. I'll take it here. For this, it goes up, so this is what you have to do: up, double left, down, right. So now you got this here. So up, left, down, right. So now you need to take this and do it on purple and orange. You can do it on every single Rubik's Cube that is a 3x3, so don't worry, because mine has purple. So up, right, down, left. And now layer 1 is complete. Now let's do layer 2. It's the middle part. So as always, forget about yellow and just think about the colors. So I have got green and red, so take this to red and check where is green. Okay, green is on the right, so I'm gonna put this on the left. I'm gonna do the up, left, down, right, and now I'm gonna turn this way and do up, right, down, left, just like that. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to purple and blue, but first I'll take to blue, and left is on my left hand, so I'll put this on the right. So now up, right, down, left, turn it this way, up, right, down, left, down, right. Yeah. So now I have blue and red. So blue is on my left hand, so that means I'll turn it to the right, up, right, down, left, up, left, down, right. So now I just have purple and green. So green is already where it is, so purple is on my right hand, so I'm gonna put it on the left: up, left, down, right, turn it this way, up, right, down, left. And now you did the the second layer. So now let's do the yellow cross. So my yellow cross is made, so I will not make it. I will undo it, and as you can see, I have an L shape. It didn't mix up anything, so don't worry, I'm still on track. So sometimes you'll get a straight line, sometimes you'll get a cross as I did before, sometimes you'll get an L that I have right now. If you get an L, you need to put the Rubik's Cube like this, where the L is going away from you, like to the left. And if it's a straight line, you need to keep it how it's just like away from you, like it's like going this way. So yeah, so this will be the method: front up, up, left, down, right. And again, now I got the straight line, so I have to do it one more time: up, left, down, right. And then I'll make this up, down. Then I get the yellow cross. Okay, so now let's do these things, the middle yellows. So first I need to put them in correct order. So mine is in correct order. First let me put it on non-correct order. Okay, now it's not in the correct order. So if you get a scrambled one, you have to do is take the two things that are okay, like green and purple, because sometimes there will be two, sometimes there will be one. So if there's one, you have to do this, but if there's, you can do it anywhere. But if there's two, you have to make it going away from you to the right hand. So yeah, so now you have to do is up, left, down, left, up, right, right, down. So now check, then you got everything perfectly. So now the corners. So you need to check if there's any corner. If there is no corner, you can do this anywhere. If there is one corner that is already made, like yellow, purple, green, do it where it is. So this is gonna be the strategy. So we will do left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. So now check, it still did not make it, so we'll have to do it one more time. Now check, and now we got everything perfectly. Okay, so now we turn it this way, and as you can see, these are not done. So this is what you're gonna do: up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Just do that for all of them. And then just the bottom parts. And there you have it. You have successfully managed to solve your own Rubik's Cube. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, comment, and peace.